Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking to build muscle at home without spending money on equipment or a gym membership, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 10 simple yet powerful exercises that you can do in the comfort of your own home to grow and strengthen your muscles. These moves are beginner-friendly, but effective enough to challenge you at any fitness level. So, grab some water, clear a little space, and let's get started. Before we dive into the exercises, let me tell you why bodyweight training is so awesome. By using just your body weight, you can build strength, endurance, and even muscle size. Plus, it's convenient. You can do it anywhere, anytime. The key is focusing on proper form and gradually increasing the intensity. Ready? Let's get to it. First, we have push-ups. Get into a plank position, keep your body straight, and lower yourself until your chest almost touches the ground. Then push back up. If you're a beginner, drop your knees to make it easier. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Next, squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body as if sitting in a chair, and then push back up through your heels. To increase difficulty, hold the squat position for a few seconds. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. For your core, the plank is perfect. Rest on your forearms and toes, keeping your body straight, and hold for as long as you can. Start with 20 seconds and work your way up over time. Do 3 sets and increase the duration gradually. Lunges are another great move for your legs and glutes. Step 1 foot forward and lower your body until both knees are at 90-degree angles, then alternate legs. For more intensity, try jumping lunges. Do 3 sets of 10 reps per leg. Now let's target the triceps with dips. Use a sturdy chair or the edge of a couch. Place your hands behind you, lower your body, and push back up. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps for your glutes and lower back. Try glute bridges. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from your knees to your shoulders. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Next, we have mountain climbers, which combine core and cardio. Start in a push-up position and alternate, bringing your knees toward your chest. Go slow if you're a beginner. Aim for 3 sets of 30 to 40 seconds. Side planks are great for targeting your obliques. Lie on your side, rest on one forearm, lift your hips and hold. Switch sides and do 2 sets of 20 to 30 seconds per side. For your lower back, try the Superman hold. Lie on your stomach, lift your arms and legs simultaneously, and hold for a few seconds. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, holding for about 5 seconds each time. Finally, we have burpees, a full body exercise. Start standing, drop into a squat, kick your legs back into a plank, then jump back up. If you're a beginner, skip the jump at the end. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. And that's it. 10 simple exercises to help you build muscle and get stronger at home without any equipment. Remember, consistency is key. Start with what feels manageable and challenge yourself to do a little more each time. Don't forget to stay hydrated and eat a balanced diet to fuel your progress. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and workouts like this. And hey, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these exercises is your favorite, or what's your go-to at-home workout? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong and stay healthy.